Magdalene yeah. Oh, she's so funny. Like, girl, I used to watch her like last year, and now sis is blowing up. Anyways, I'm going to the beach. And I don't like my outfit anymore, so I want to change it. But I also need to pack my bag, and I also need to pick up my cousin before my auntie comes back from buying us patty, and she left like 15 minutes ago. So I'm going to set this up, and we just gonna pick out another outfit. So we're gonna go in this little corner. I think y'all can see me. I want to bring this because maybe I'll have a mini photo shoot while we're at the beach. I just don't like this dress anymore. Thought I was cute. Thought I was looking cute, but I wasn't. I was looking rough. Anybody tell me I was looking rough? This is actually a swimsuit as well. Mega bring it. Because then we can change the night and take our next beach picture and upload it. Smart.
Work every day till the weekend. I fi turn it up on the weekend. Boss a toast the real.
Story of my life. I cannot find the car keys, and the funny thing is, I had them yesterday. I wonder if it dropped. Alright everybody, camera is looking quite dirty. We're on the road.
You people live your lives on social media. Oh, I didn't know you had a channel.
Yeah, I have a channel, and it's successful. I'd say so.
How many subscribers?
S playing on the track.
I'm trying to upload a video because the first video I got copywritten, and that's never fun, so I had to re-upload it, but I didn't have time to set it live and do all my regular stuff from the computer, so I'm trying to do that from the phone. So if you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you click the link up here or go down in the description box, and I'll leave a link down here as well. Also, leave a comment, what's your favorite beach to go to in Jamaica? Have you ever been to the beach? Let's start there. Yeah.
Oh, you're going out this window?
Huh? Yeah. Oh, Malik! Malik is not video. I'm really trying to vlog all of this. He's gonna fish. I'm really thinking I'm gonna catch some fish. I'm really trying to vlog because I keep forgetting. We just reached the License Beach. It's right across from Princess Margaret Hospital. See, the hospital is literally right out there. Come on. Malika complain. Malik said something to the people them. Look at Auntie Shireen. Vlogging. There's Noel.
Here, man, you need to talk.
No?
No. I want to. They put me in charge of it.
And Sash. Yeah, you're good. Sash go park.
I want to invite.
Danine and Devani in the vlog.
Hi.
So tired. So tired. Why you just sitting in the back seat and do nothing?
Where's the Andre?
I don't know what the power that.
Andre is the transfer the line.
No.
Anyways, they're talking about their fishing situation. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go down to the beach now. I'll be back, guys. Oh, you take me you take me and make money like that.
Never gotten me
You are the life.
And I don't think I've ever heard a happy birthday from you. Do you even know my
happy
birthday?
birthday.
You don't even know my birthday.
Has come around.
Yes, last year was.
Tell him say I make sure that I remember your birthday. No, tell him.
You always remember Danny's birthday alone. Literally.
Anyways, for you guys to know, my birthday is April 7th. I will link my PayPal. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I have Cash App, I have PayPal, I have Venmo, I have Zelle. Listen, I have my bank account information if you want to transfer the money, if you want to wire it, if you're that old. I take cashier's check, you can send it in the mail.
And government bonds.
Exactly. Or you can buy me stocks. That'll all be down below in the description box.
Jesus, you're ambitious.
Look at Auntie Sharon in her beautiful dress. Guys, leave a comment down below if Auntie Sharon looks beautiful. And this is License Beach. Ugh. So I can't wait to get in the water with you guys. It's gonna be fun. Goodie today, I take our picture. That's gonna be me in like 20 minutes. Except I'm gonna be oiled up. I brought some coconut oil with me. The last time we had a whole photo shoot. Oh, I'm gonna leave the link to that video as well in the description box. So if you guys wanna go check out my bikini video. Huh? What try to?
Mommy's like walking with climbing, you know.
Right. Oh my god, guys, look at the beach. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, it's true. Right here. So I just rub up myself with some oil, some coconut oil.
Malik is the real OG.
Yes, Malik rub up my back because we intend to get darker. But I'll go out into the sun and show you guys that this is what I look like now. But this is how I'm looking now. We're gonna see if we can get much darker by the time we're done. So I'm also gonna take some pictures. I know somebody had suggested that I do a mukbang at the beach. That would have been great. And next time I'll do a mukbang at the beach because it's so peaceful. We were worried that it might be too loud, but look at it. It's nice. It's nice. I'm gonna go change the tripod into the yellow one so I'm able to go in the water.
I'm
Something wrong with this, man.
Something wrong with that?
Yeah. No, this is not moving. You're supposed to can slide it in and then you just
Change. I put this on. This is a one-piece something over it. I swear there was more stones out here in the last video shoot that I did. That's weird. Ooh, Jesus! sandbank. It literally went down. Oh no, I don't want my shorts to get wet. Oh, I have extra clothes. Yeah. Woo. See, I keep saying the sea. Oh, let me put this around my hand. Because next thing you know, it floats off. Watch them. Them think them are somebody.
I feel like nothing.
My booty feels
Danny feels heavier than her right now.
Be careful in the head. They brought your well more exposed. Oh, got my tits out. Mines are supposed to be at the side. There we go. Anyways, some people are boring bad. Let me go on that water. Sandy. Got the Gopro. Sorry guys. So guys, yeah, don't have anything to talk about. These guys aren't saying nothing. Anyways, put this back on me. We're at the beach. Let me go into the sun. It's really. Look at the private beach. Over there. Wonder if it's deep to walk over there. Yeah, come. Look at the vlog. I don't want the vlog to be too boring. Isn't it so cool? Can we go further back out? We're gonna go over to the private beach, so let's see.
That is no beach.
It's a little beach.
Here.
Right there, sir. This is always how shark movies start. Because if a shark grab onto you, God know me I turn Aquaman into this. Ah, there we go. Oh, yeah, it is warm and then cold. Oh no, Rex are well cold. No, I can't, but I stepped on the stone and it like caught me off guard. Maybe we can walk around it. Maybe. Makes me like it's like a papa. If I insert the construction man and never meet the oh, him.
Not the vlog, man. Not the vlog.
Oopsie. Yeah, the water here is not that clear. I don't know. Yeah, it's not that clear. I don't know. I'm gonna look at the quality of the water and see how it looks. And then if it looks good, then I'll keep doing more underwater ones, but it's not so clear. What if a sand? Andre, catch a fish. I'm gonna zoom in. Look on it, it's like it's like Sash. Sash.
She's so happy, yo.
Alright, come on.
Mine are gonna get heavy. Girl, I don't know too much about hot yelling up.
Right. I'm gonna use one arm.
How about we do it? I'll bring it down for that track.
Alright. Then we're gonna look for them a copy. We? No, that is black people. Kardashian.
Courtney, no. You're making me
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to vlog this.
How do you say vlog it and track? You have to do it from back way. You have to turn to the back.
I'm gonna try to vlog.
But you try to get mommy to vlog. You should get one of those.
I can put my arm.
One of these guys that come here, we need your help. That was a bait. That was scratch. Like, he's so happy about it. No, he's tightened. That can't even eat. We're making a pyramid, so we want to be cool too.
Yeah. You have to go first.
We need a support.
Alright, Malik, ready? Come, Malik, let me turn this way.
Are you on phone?
No, man, we don't want to do it.
Cool reason.
Yeah, well, no, you see, I got boobs now. Yeah, just Africa first. Come on.
You heard that? You got boobs now. When you get them? Did you get them off eBay?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
What you doing?
I don't want to go first. I don't want to go first. I don't know them people. I don't want to go first.
I'm not going now.
Them boys.
Okay, fine, guys. You go back.
Alright, but don't fling me over. Put me down like this.
Yeah, we're going to flip her up and then bring her back up.
I got one.
You don't trust me, Cash? Where you going?
Yeah, you guys know how to do it? Okay.
Ready, come.
Wait. Come this way. The lighting.
I just got my first time.
Yeah.
They gotta hold it here like this. Not like this, like this.
They're teaching them how to properly hold a woman.
It's level. No, they're not going up to that level.
I know how to hold my woman. Oh, come on, Glenn. Get your head
And then
ready.
no, instead of flinging me up, they put me down.
Lord God, hold on. Me come back when them start. Oh. No, the other way. Thank you.
For the lighting. Ready? Glenn, your feet are
Malik, don't make them drop me. I'll jump into your foot, so just, and into your hands, just like this.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
You guys are too far.
Too far apart, yeah?
Ready?
Wow, Shirley, this is like...
Jump I know. Or not.
Put me down, shit!
That was underwhelming as hell. I expected something fun. Look how them have fun. Watch ya.
You know that.
Watch ya.
Glenn is doing that.
Watch ya. No, that look like fun. Watch ya. Watch this versus that. This. That. Ow, yeah. Exactly. Alright, I'll be back.
Why did you go forward?
I never catch it, I never catch it.
I said in slow motion.
Can we do that again?
Why would you do that?
Welcome to the vlog. You are welcome.
Yeah, good job again. Come on, never catch it last time.
Too bad.
Well, come on now, it's gonna be cool to catch. Come on, do it. No. Let's do it. Sash, push her.
No.
Push her.
No.
Push her.
Down.
Bitch.
Let me catch it the first time. Move. Got it. Oh my God, get out in the light. Yes. Alright, bye, peace and give me peace.
No, I'm not doing nothing. I'm near share with you. But bite piece and give.
It's a bite piece and give me peace. So you take your first bite.
No, just take piece.
You give me peace.
No.
Just give me peace.
Try to know who gets a piece of that, eat it.
I'm very nice. I'm going to give you half. Yes, my piece bigger.
Lucky coming up. One guy this thing.
Oh, come to Bonnie.
Bonnie's a gentleman. He just opened up the chair for his mommy. Chef's kiss. It's good.
Be honest, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it. I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
for free. The water doesn't affect this. I'm trying to turn you into a mini GoPro setup.
That wave though.
So we're recording, we're taking pictures. Wait, turn it. Turn it. Wait, I get it. Wait, oh, yes. Make it tattoo, surely. Move your hand like that. Yeah, no. Stay like that. Your face kind of mixed up. Sorry, hold on. Alright guys, so I only have 33 seconds left on this vlog. I'm just coming here to tell you all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Watch Junior, I'm still over there, like literally right here. Fishing. I'm about to head out. Have a great day. Bye.